Is this thing recording? Yeah, it is. No, you gotta be kidding me. Did all the freaking work just to have the GoPro turn off at whatever time it turned off. Yeah, my life sucks. Anyway, I freaking just took all that to it. And one day I may get it out when Andrew gets over here or whatever's going on. One day, get this thing fixed up. Hopefully. Still missing keys. Yeah, there's no key in that. Transmission is, which side is it on? I don't know if you can see that, but down in there there's a piece of wood and there's a spacer. Same time it's supposed to look like that, but the thing's all the way through. Maybe you have to get everything fixed up on it, restore it. It's probably not going to be for a while. Maybe one day start this thing up eventually. I still need to fix this thing back here. It broke. Freaking. I didn't want to, because I didn't have a thing that would fit in here because I was trying to pull something really hard and ended up wrapping around this instead. That was a bad idea. You could see all the angle irons twisted on one side because where the winch is, where is it? Right there, runs up through here up to the right here where it normally connects. And what happened was I had this up here, and then since I was pulling from under this, it ripped itself out. Actually, I can get that thing reconnected. Actually, that whole thing's tore up. My welding hole there. I'm kind of surprised weld's hole for that long. Look how crappy they are. But yeah, they're still holding on. It's freaking. That's not why I welded this thing. It's going to break instantly. Oh, I guess not, because they're still holding up. Rusty and everything, but freaking still holding up. I'm surprised I actually got something out of it. Freaking. I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. Maybe thinking about turning into a racing lawnmower, maybe. But freaking, I'm going to take all this plastic crap out. Probably chop it up, get it, have the axle all the way up to here somewhere. I don't know, think about something about it. Yeah. Sometime soon we'll be riding that thing again. Or anyways, in the future, at some point. My grandparents gave me this 98 Ford F-150. Doesn't run. Apparently the whole story behind it is it started misfiring or something. It started running extremely rough because it has that V8 Trident stuff in it. And something happened to it one time. It started running really rough. My grandpa took it back to the mechanic or something. They fixed it once or something like that, and then he took it back to him again because it started having the same issue. They started messing around, saying it's a computer, saying it was this and saying it was that. But this is back in 2007, 2009 at least, so a good almost 10 years. And I don't remember it burning antifreeze or oil. All I know was it ran extremely rough. And I was looking back on YouTube videos and all that about how if it misfires, it starts feeling like the whole right side of the engine is all gone, or freaking there's no piston or something like that. Well, sometime in a future video we may be doing a series of trying to get that truck. It's actually pretty nice for its shape. It's almost 19 years old, I think. That's actually 20 years old. And we're going to try to fix it up and get it running again so I can at least have something to drive. I mean, my truck's fine, but reverse is all shot in it. I don't know what the deal is behind that. Freaking everything else. I don't know if this thing's still recording or not. But yeah, out there. But yeah, that's a vlog, and that's the end of this video, I guess. Maybe this weekend I get Andrew out here and have a little bit of fun. Well, everybody out there that sees this, have a nice day and have a good. Freaking, it's a little late for April Fools. Pull something out on and have a little bit of fun. Well, everybody have a nice day.